Very cool. Man, it looks so much different with a red grill. Yeah. That's sharp. That is sharp, man. You guys had a black one all done up the same way, and I actually was coming out to buy that one, and they had a burgundy truck set next to it, and I'm like, man, this would really be nice if it was burgundy with the black accents. So that's what started me on going to the red, and they got lucky. They found one, the dealer trade in, and that's what we did to it. It just looks so much different with a red grill. It's just, and then I like how the black and the GMC. That's sharp. Very nice. Yeah. Yeah, I saw the red accent rims on the black truck, and I thought with the burgundy in the rim, I thought it would look cool on a burgundy truck. So. Very cool truck. Very cool. Very cool. What do you think?
And we can do a Yukon like that for you, like this white one right here.
No, you still got that burgundy one?
Yeah, that's on the
burgundy
showroom.
plate.
That's on the showroom.
That car's sharp.
Matching ones.
Yeah, there you go.
Let's go, buddy.
Howdy.
Good to see you.
How you doing?
Got everything ready to go for you over here?
Cool.
So we'll get all that signed, then I'll get you in with David to finish everything else up.
All right.
And then Rob will go over the car with you, help prepare the phones, all that stuff, the OnStart call, all that. Okay? So I'll see you guys.
Thanks a lot. It turned out better than I thought it would. It did really look sharp. It's real nice.